In this video, we're going to show you the administrative and user functions of the Dusk IOP app. Start by entering your PIN. A sync will perform to pull down any new data or synchronize any local data back to the server. Start by pressing the Hamburg icon in the top left corner. In here, tap User. There are a number of features in here. Support and updates takes you through to the videos and the user information for troubleshooting and also setting up various parts of the IOP. Reset passcode allows you to reset your passcode if you've lost the current number to get in. Security question is set up to allow you to access the platform in the event that you do forget your password. This can be changed in here. If you have supervisor access to the app, supervisor role will be enabled. Share IOP app allows you to send a link to the app to anyone in your email, phone or messaging platforms. Reminder allows you to set a reminder. Examples could include parking, expiry or needing to leave work to collect family members. Compliance, if it's enabled, is for permits and skills and certificates in there. There is a chat functionality as well for some users, depending on how the platform is configured. The top right corner is the bell icon, which is all the notifications that have come in. So for new jobs, leave request approvals, etc. The other part of the platform that's worth showing in here is the tips and tricks and the glossary and support. Tips and tricks can be set up for any part of the Dusk IOP on the back end, depending on what your business is doing. For example, if you've got a business where you service clients and you need particular information for those clients, you can set up tips and tricks for them. This might include memorable information such as staff names or locations or anything else that they need to have serviced. In this case here, we've got stores. So by going in here, I can see these are they're sequenced by numerical and alphabetical. So I can go in here and I can read up on what the tip or the trick is. So in this case, it's simply a heading and some detail. The next bit that is worth looking at is the glossary and support. Again, these are administered on the back end, but they're useful for field tricks. So being out there in a store or on a client site or visiting an asset and you need a friendly reminder of what to do, you're able to go in here and search for that item, and you can go in here and then take a look at what that is. And then going back here, the Dusk IOP app uses a PIN to log in once you've set up your username and password for the first time. This makes access easy and less onerous than typing in a full email address and password each time.